Hi. Hi, Pranavi. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
good. How are you?
Good. But I'm just wondering why the others aren't there. I'm checking. Uh, checking. Hold on. Hi. Since it's a first class, I just want to spend some time as to who are there and stuff. Wait. Let me see. G6. Okay. What is going on? 1 second, ma'am. Just checking. Give me a minute. I'm just checking. There are more people to come. I don't know. It's a problem, guys. Okay, let's see. Okay. Pranavi is in here. Siddharth is in here. Shrihan. He may not come. Varnika has not come. Soumya is not going to come today. Varnika. Let me quickly check, ma. Okay, let's move. Okay. How are you all? Pranavi, nice to see you back, Pranavi.
Thank
Siddharth,
you.
how are you, Siddharth?
Good.
Good. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's move on. Okay. Three of you, four of you are there. So it's fine. Let's move on. There are some people who didn't come. Let's see. Okay. You know what are we going to study for this year? No. All the sixth grade standards. Okay. Meaning, did you look at the Google Classroom? How many of you had a look at the Google Classroom?
I didn't.
You didn't? You should. Let me show you. No problem. I didn't mean that you should and all, but at the same time, hey, I want to show you then. Shall I show you?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. Varnika, I'm here, Varnika.
Sorry, I'm late because I thought like the classes are on Tuesdays, but they changed.
Yeah, ma, it's not the same, right? Okay, you're all seeing my screen.
Mm-hmm.
So this will be the entire set of things that we are going to cover, okay? Literally, I'm going to start with this. Make sense? So I'm going to start with number and operations, okay? Classify whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. The questions that we are going to solve will be a little harder, okay, than what you do in school, okay? Let's go ahead with This one, classify whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, visual representation, Venn diagram. Identify a number and its opposite. Let's go ahead and do that. Can we do that? Okay. Here. Okay. Um, Before I get into that, right, I really want to give a few questions to you and see where each of you are and then keep moving. Okay. Can we try that? Okay. Now, 5 divided by 5 by 6 is what? Number 1. Number 2, 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 8 is what? I want to know, if you don't understand something, that's fine. I want to know what are the answers for these. Yep. I have some set of answer together, ma. I'll wait for your answers. I just want to know answer together. Okay. There is no hurry, but answer together.
We say in the chat box.
Yeah, in the chat box together, all the 7 or totally there'll be 8 answers. Okay. Together, answer them together. What sign will go here? Less than, greater than, or equal to? Which sign goes here? I'll wait. 8 questions are there. It's okay if you don't know. Okay, it's just to know the class initially. Okay, there's nothing wrong in you not knowing and all. If you don't know, you can just say you don't know.
I think you skipped a number. Like you did 1, 2, 3, 5.
Yeah, good thought. Okay, I have one more in between. Let me put it out as 4 here. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. 8 questions. Just tells me where we are with our 5th grade.
If we don't know a problem, can we write question mark?
Yeah, ma, please. That's what I want to know. It's not like you should know everything. Not at all. You can let me know. If you don't know, there can be a question mark. Absolutely fine. But I just need to understand who all understood, who didn't understand, and I can help you accordingly. There's nothing wrong. Yes, Varnika. Tell me, Varnika. I'm here.
Do we like reason for the true or false, or do we just like write it if it's true or false?
Please reason. Please reason. Then I'll know about you more, right? You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you reason it, it will help me more, right? Just let me know if you're able to see or not as well. Are you able to see my board? Hey, are you able to see the board, guys?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Sid, good job. Sid, whatever you have written helps me to understand you much more. Okay. Sid, I got your answers. Can you recheck the first one, Ma Sid? Sid, can you recheck the first one?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Sid, I want you to check the first answer. I want you to check the second answer. I want you to check the fourth answer. Okay. I am going to set up some stop time as well because I want to move on.
What does the A1 mean by?
Which one, ma?
Like, what do you like? How do you like? What does like the A1 mean by? Is it division, multiplication? Because
Which one,
there's
ma?
like a blank
Tell
box.
me, tell me the number, ma.
So on number 8.
Mm-hmm. I'm asking, is it less than symbol or greater than symbol or equal to symbol? Will go into this.
Oh.
That's all.
Okay.
Answer can be anything. Try.
I sent my answer.
Yes, Pranavi, I'm checking yours. Tanishka, are you doing it with mom or are you doing it by yourself?
I'm by myself.
Can you check the fourth one?
Me?
Tanishka. Good job in the 7th one, Sid. Fourth one, Tanishka, are you working? Wow, nice. Pranavi, explanation is very nice in the 6th one. 7th. Okay. Why do you think, Sid? Why 5 by 6 is less than 7 by 8? Can you explain?
Should I explain the chat?
Yeah, you can shout out, Sid. I'm listening. We all want to know. Why do you think 5 by 6?
Even though they're both only like 1/6 or 1/8 away from being a whole, 7/8 is closer because the gap between each fraction is bigger on a bigger fraction. Like,
I see. I see. Okay.
I changed my 8th answer.
Yeah, you can. Okay. Guys, I'm going to redo this for you. Tanishka, what happened to the 4th one, Tanishka?
Yeah, I turned them into fractions. That's
Wait, can we have 5 more minutes? I'm like, just type in the answers.
Yeah, please you type in. Varnika, what was the first answer? You tell me the answers. Shout out. What was the first
It
answer?
was 30 by 5.
Yes, good job. So let's see, Varnika. So you take the 5, change this to multiplication, then flip this. So here what happens? This is 5 by 1. So 6 5s are 30. 30 by 5, which is 6. Any questions here?
No.
Okay, 1 by 4 division. You can never divide fractions. So you're going to change it to multiplication. Do the reciprocal, 8 by 1. So now this is 8 divided by 4, which is 2. Any questions?
No.
Sid, did you understand where are you making mistakes, Sid?
yeah.
Okay. So why don't you help me with this, Siddharth? 1 by 4, change it to multiplication. What happens, Siddharth?
I didn't really understand it.
See, the same logic applies, right? You
I
cannot
can do
divide
it.
fraction. Huh?
I can do it.
Yeah, go ahead. So 1 by 4, division should be changed to multiplication. What happens?
And then you flip the other number into 1/4. And then that's 1/16.
Yeah, good job. Now, this one, most of you made a mistake. 0.25 divided by 0.5. In my denominator, I should never have a decimal. How to remove the decimal? I have to multiply by a 10. So multiply numerator and denominator by a 10. What happens? You get 2.5 by 5. What is 2.5 by 5? Do you all know what is 2.5 by 5? What is it?
Oh, I accidentally multiplied it.
Oh, you
Wait, could you also turn it into a fraction and then divide it with that?
Yeah, you can turn it into a fraction and divide it. That is absolutely fine, Pranavi. So you're wanting 0.25 by 0.5. You can change it to 1 by 4. Okay. Then you divide by 1 by 2. What is the answer? 1 by 4 times 2 by 1, which is 1 by 2. Make sense? The last one is 5 by 12. I'm sorry, fifth one is 5 by 12.
Yeah.
Now, is 5 by 4 greater than 1? What is 5 by 4? 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Right? 4 by 4 is 1. So, it is definitely greater than 1. 8 by 7 is 7 by 7 plus 1 by 7. Is it greater than 1 or less than 1?
Greater.
Greater than 1. Good job. Now, 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. Which is greater? I'll
7
tell
by
you.
8. 7.
How do you? I'll tell you an easy way. Put a butterfly wing, multiply both the numbers wherever the wings are. 40, 42. Which is greater?
42.
8.
Yep. Do you all
I
get
just
it?
put the fractions into decimals.
That is fine, but it's going to take long, right? So just put a butterfly wing. You can just write out the numbers. 7 6 are 42, 8 5 are 40. Now 42 is greater. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see this one. How about this, guys? 4 divided by 1 by 4. All of you send the answer to me. I really want to have a good hold on this.
I said my answer.
Mm-hmm.
Is it correct?
1 second. I missed my chat. Good. Good job, Pranavi, Tanishka, Varnika. Nice to see your answers, guys. Sid, can I get your answer?
Coming.
Do you have the answer, Sid?
Not yet.
See, I want to change. This is 4 by 1. 4 is 4 by 1. Change that to multiplication. Then what you do? If you change that to multiplication, you can literally put, you have to flip this. Whatever follows, you're going to flip. You got it? Copy, change, flip. Copy. Copy this. Change, flip. Copy, change, flip. That's what you need to do. So what answer is 16. Now how about this, guys? 0.125 divided by 0.5. What is the answer for that one? I feel like we need a review as well. It's fine, guys. Go ahead and try. I feel like classrooms.
Is my
Yes, ma, I'll check. Wait.
is mine correct?
1 minute, ma. I'm going to check. Wait. See, my problem is review of fractions and decimals. Oh no. 1 second. Decimal. Okay. Okay, so we need to review a lot. That's what I see. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, G5, G5 beast. You have to give me 1 minute. Okay, intense. See. Yeah. I need this part completely reviewed. Let me see. Let me see. I'm going to do this only today. Good job, Sid. Good job, Pranavi. Good job, Varnika. Good job, Tanishka. Okay, so y'all are getting a good hang of this. How about this? I have 3.5 apples. Okay. I need to split it equally. among 14 people? What fraction of apple? See the question. Question is asking what fraction of apple will each get? What fraction of apple will each person get? Would you be able to do this one? See, without having a review of this, I will not go to real number system.
Can you check mine?
Tanishka, Sid, correct. Sid, did you send the answer already?
Yeah.
Okay.
My answer correct, but I'm not.
Pranavi, can you do it on the board? Pranavi and Varnika, how did you do?
Is it correct though?
Yeah, see, Pranavi and Varnika, can you simplify that? Did you check whether you can simplify that? Did you check if you can simplify the given fraction?
Oh yeah, I did.
Wait.
See, guys, you should definitely check, right?
Is that correct?
Was mine correct?
Everybody's was correct, excluding that's what you have to simplify. Varnika, I didn't get your simplified answer.
Do I annotate it? Yeah, I'm simplifying it right now.
You can shout out.
Oh, okay. Well,
Okay. I want to review equivalent
my
fraction.
simplified answer is 1/4.
Correct. Okay, let's move on. So you all got it. Now, how about this? Do you know equivalent fractions, equal fractions? Do you know what are equal fractions?
Yeah.
Good. Go ahead. Go ahead and try that.
Is mine correct?
Yes. Tanishka, good job. Sid, good job. I'm waiting for the others. Tanishka, Sid, I got it. I really need from Pranavi and Varnika. Did you get it?
I sent my answer.
I don't get
Yeah.
how to solve it.
Yeah. No, Varnika, did you understand how to solve it?
No, I actually didn't solve a problem like this before.
Oh, you're going to find equivalent fractions, right? Equal fractions means see the denominator. From 4, how did you get 8?
Probably by multiplying by 2.
So the same thing you need to do up. So what will come in the square?
Probably 6.
Correct. That's all. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is my answer correct?
Everybody's answer was correct. And for the
Oh,
one
I
who
get it why it's called equal fractions.
you got it now?
Yeah.
Good to know. How about this? Okay. You all know how to add fractions. I know that. But what I don't know is this. Can you arrange this in descending order? Can you arrange this in descending order?
Like least to greatest or
What is descending order?
I don't know what it is.
Question. That's okay. See, if you don't know, doesn't matter. Say you don't know. That's absolutely fine. I like indeed if you say that. So, what is descending order? When you're in a flight, right? When you're about to land, the pilot says, "Hey, the flight is we are about to make a descent. We are about to make a descent." So, what does it mean?
Highest to lowest, probably.
Highest to lowest.
Mine correct?
Yours is correct. I'm checking. That was a little fast. How did you do that? I'm wondering. Good job, Sid. How did you do that? What did you do to answer so quickly? Can
Can
you
I say?
Yeah, please.
I sent my answer
So,
to Kat.
I know 1/4 is the least, so it'll go last because 11/12 and 2/3 are really close to the whole, and since 2/8 is equal to 1/4, and this is one above 2/8, then I know 3
wow.
will go second to last since um these two are at the whole, but the same reason I explained to you on when you put those 8 questions on question 8, 11/12, even though 2/3 and 11/12 are both close to the whole, 11/12 has less space to go than 2/3. So 11/12 is the first number, 2/3 is the second number, 3/8 is the third number, and 1/4 is the fourth number.
Wonderfully done. Okay, now Tanishka. Okay, guys, let's see. Tanishka, where are the other two, ma?
I sent it by mistake. I was typing it.
Okay. You know what I would have done? What is the multiple of 8, 3, 12, and 4
24.
that is common? 24, yes. 8 times 3 is 24, 3 times 8 is 24, 12 times 2 is 24, 4 times 6 is 24. So I'm going to bring all the denominators to a 24. That is the methodical way of doing. I'm going to bring everything. Now this was times by 3. See the denominator, it was times by 3. So I'll write a 9 because that should also be times by 3. Now 3 was times with 8. I will also time this by 8 and write 16. 12 was times with 2. So 11 times 2 is 22. Now here 4 times 6, right? So this also multiply by 6. Now descending means highest to lowest. So 11 by 12, 2 by 3, then you have 9 by 3 by 8 and 1 by 4. Any questions, guys? Any questions?
No.
Barnika, did you understand how to do this?
Yeah.
Can I move on?
Mm-hmm. I think you're on mute.
Good job, Tanishka. Or Tanishka, or who said that? Varnika.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, can you subtract 1 minus 3 by 14 minus 5 by 14?
I can't see the screen anymore. I can only see you.
Can you
Oh.
repeat the question?
No. Something is not showing up, she says. Hold on. If you're not able to see, let me reshare. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Good.
Is my answer correct?
Good job, Tanishka and Pranavi. Sid, can I get your answers?
I put
Oh, really? Sid, that's not right. How did you do that? Varnika will wait for you. How did you do that? Sid, you're going to explain it to us?
3/14th and 5/14th have the same denominator. So first, oh wait, hold on.
So for the homework, is it just like what we learned like today, like reviewing, or is it going to be like the?
Going to be fraction review. It's going to be a little complicated fraction review.
Mm.
Okay, huh?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
You don't understand. Okay. Who doesn't understand? Siddha. Siddh, 1 whole is what? 14 by 14. You have to make your denominators the same. All fractions. See, Siddh here. There is a 1 by 2 here. Okay. Now, can you subtract 1 by 4 from 1 by 2? It's difficult, right? Meaning you don't know the piece sizes, right? So what do? I will make it to the same. So if I multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator, I'm doing justifiable job. So this becomes 2 by 4. I'm making equal fractions, right? Then I'm subtracting this. When you make equal fractions and subtract this, the denominator will remain the same, but your numerator 2 minus 1 piece is 1 piece. Do you get it? But here,
Yeah.
1 whole is what? 1 whole is 14 out of 14 pieces, right? Do you understand? Varnika, 14 out of 14 minus 3 by 14 minus 5 by 14, correct?
Yeah.
Find these two. 14 minus 3 is 11 by 14 minus 5 by 14, correct? 14 minus 3 is what? 11 by 14. Now, denominator is the same, right? So, what is this?
6/14th.
So, what? What it is? 3 by 7. You have to answer in simplified form. Got it? Okay. Varnika, did you understand, ma?
Kind of not. Can you explain that to me for one more time?
What is it?
Could you explain that to me for one more time?
Yeah, absolutely. See, you for subtraction and addition of fractions, you have to bring the new denominator. All should be the same. All fractions should have the same denominator. But one can't have 14 as a denominator, right? Tanishka, did you get it, ma? So multiply the numerator and denominator. It's like numerator and denominator are like your sisters. If your sisters, if I give a candy to your sister, I will also give the candy to you. Denominator as well, you have to multiply by 14. So multiply by 14 in numerator and denominator, it becomes 14 by 14. 1 is 14 by 14. Minus 3 by 14 minus 5 by 14. After that, combine these two, you get 11 by 14 minus 5 by 14. Now 11 minus 5 by 14 is 7 by 14. I'm sorry. 6 by 14, which you can simplify to 3 by 7. Any questions? None? Siddharth, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. I'm going to give you more questions related to the same thing. Let's see. Where is that? See, I can't go to your 6th grade standards today. I really want to revise a lot of this, I feel now. Let's see. I thought of doing only that, but I want to take the time. Hold on. Okay, so where are we? Let's forget. 1 second, guys. Okay. How about this, guys? You're going to answer this. Make your denominators the same for addition and subtraction of fractions. Your denominator should be the same. Can we try this one? Varnika, why was it negative, ma?
It wasn't negative.
Hmm?
It wasn't negative.
You have written -1/14 as the answer.
Oh yeah, I was about to say I mean it was
No, but did you understand it now?
yeah.
Good. Go ahead and do. You need to really read the question. In my classes, if I give you homework or if I give you a problem in class, you have to read it 1,000 times and then only answer.
Is my answer correct?
Siddharth, have you covered 5th grade already? Math?
Yeah.
Did you learn at home or where did you learn?
At home.
Mom taught you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you use some books or Khan Academy or IXL?
I excel.
IXL. Okay. Good job, Tanishka. Good job, Pranavi. I'm waiting for Varnika and Sid to answer. How did you get that, Sid? Can you explain?
So 1 equals 3/3, and 3/3 minus 1/3 equals 2/3.
Yeah, but 2/3 does not have the same denominator as 4/9, right?
Yeah, but so I simplified 4/9 into.
You can't simplify 4/9, right? You can't simplify 4/9s. Varnika, how did you get 16/9? Did you add all of them?
I'm looking at the equation now and I multiplied them accidentally.
Looks like you have added everything. See the operation there. There are subtraction operation, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, probably for it.
yeah, go ahead.
And instead of I didn't like add it, I multiplied it. So I'm gonna like
What did you multiply, ma?
so can I annotate and do it?
Yeah, you can. Sid, you got it. Please annotate and show. Okay, for the others
Wait,
need.
did I get it?
Yes, you got it. Okay, Sid, you guys can proceed. I feel I'll work with Varnika and understand how she did. Okay, for you guys, I want you to tell me the answer of this. Okay, you're going to try this one. Okay, Yeah, ma, Varnika, you're writing it out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Others, you can go ahead and do the word problem. Mm-hmm. That is correct. So after that,
So this is the part where I like messed up. So over here I made the same denominator. I times 2. I got 9. They got times 2. I got 4. And then I just multiplied them instead of like minusing them. And then I got 16. And then,
how 4 by 9, ma? Wait. Why would you multiply? There is a Varnika. This is 2 by 3, right? How did it 2 by 3 minus 4 by 9? How did you do, Varnika?
So I needed to have like an equal denominator.
Yeah. So
So
what?
I made it like 9, and then I just made that.
Wait. How did you make into 9? Times 3 times 3. So what happens?
Oh, I did times 2 for like
No, right?
the
Then
upper
denominator
one.
will be 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
My
Now
answer correct?
I'll check, Amma. I'm coming to the next one, right? You'll have to wait. Siddharth, do you have the answer for the second one?
So
Tanishka,
now I can solve the one on the thing.
I
Right?
already said.
yeah,
the
but if you're
answer.
not going to simplify hereafter, I'll not check your answers. That's a hard rule in this class. If you guys send in answers unsimplified, I will just keep moving. I'll mark it wrong, keep it moving.
So now I can like do the question now, right?
No. Yeah, you can do the word problem, ma. Siddharth, you will have to simplify every fraction before you send. I've been getting all unsimplified fractions from you. You have to be very stringent in sending me only simplified fractions.
Wait,
And
on the word problem or the
on the word problem, ma. Word problem only you send the answer, right? Did you simplify, Siddharth?
I simplified.
Good job. Siddharth and Pranavi got it. Varnika and Tanishka, where are we?
I had already sent my answer.
Oh, really, ma? Is it too easy, Tanishka? Correct.
Yeah, no,
Good. Hmm?
I learned these in fifth grade.
Nice.
I sent it.
1 minute, ma. Okay, how about this, guys? I didn't think there was a review required like this. Good job, Varnika and Sid. Let's move on. How about this? How many pizzas are in there? What fraction does it represent? What fraction is that?
I sent my answer.
Mm-hmm.
Is it correct?
Good job, Sid and Pranavi. Tanishka, correct. Varnika, can you tell me how many pizzas are there? Varnika, can you shout out?
Oh yeah, I got 3.
Varnika,
Two by six.
simply unsimplified fractions, I won't agree, ma.
Oh, it's supposed to be simple.
Yeah, always. Anything that you send should be simplified. Okay, guys, what will come in the squares? What will come in the squares? Okay, now I'm going to mark your homework. Let's see. You're going to do this. We have reviewed addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Let's see how you do.
Well, I'm bad with number lines. I don't get how to do this.
No, I can help you. Doesn't matter. I'll help you. Only thing is, okay, so this week we are going to have fraction review, right? Now for next week, I have word problems, okay, but then I really want you to try out every problem, okay? I want to make sure you do every problem. You have to submit it on time, okay, in Google Classroom. I hope all of you have the Google Classroom link as well, correct?
Wait,
I
is
think
there a
that-
new Google Classroom?
Yeah, always, ma.
Oh, well, I don't have like the new Google Classroom thing.
Why did you ask your mom?
She didn't tell me there was like a new Google Classroom or thing.
Why don't you
At
ask
the
her?
end of the class, can you tell me that?
Why she had the Google email come to her, right, with all the details. But I'll give it to you, no problem, mom.
Okay.
Now itself, let me give you.
I have the link, but I haven't joined it yet.
Oh, please join. Tanishka, do you have the new links?
Yeah, I'm checking.
Mm-hmm.
Here, can I go ask my dad real quick? I don't know.
No problem, I sent it to you. What you don't know?
Know if I have the Google Classroom or not.
Okay, you all want the Google Classroom. Okay, let me give you. You don't need to go ask your dad now.
Okay.
Okay, now let me show you how this all works. It's very difficult. See, when they are in different denominators, it's very difficult to understand. So what will I do? Shall I write equal fractions? 0. What is the equal fraction between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2? Who can tell me?
No.
Hmm?
But like
What is the equal fraction between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2?
what's in the middle of it?
No, what I'm asking is, I want to bring it to common denominators.
Oh,
What is the equal fraction for, what will be the denominator?
8.
Why 8? 4 can be, right? Go with the
4, yeah.
4.
Of
So
course.
this will remain as 1 by 4. For this one, I'll
Mhm.
multiply by 2 in both numerator. This is 2 by 4, correct?
Yeah.
Still, I don't know what comes in between. So can I write one more equal fraction? This is 2 by 8. This is? What is this? Huh?
3.
4 by 8,
So what is in between?
3 by 8.
That's it.
Can you
Oh,
check my? I sent them in the thing.
What is it?
I sent my answers.
Okay, wait.
okay. I can do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, now let's go ahead and try. No. I want to try one. Half to 1. There is 1 half, right? 1 half is there because half to 1 is 1 half. That is divided into how many parts? Four
Yeah.
intervals, 4 frog jumps, right? So each interval is what we are going to check. 1 by 2 has been divided by 4. 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 4. So each is 1 by 8. Each frog jump is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. So I am adding 3 by 8 to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is added with 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. So it's being added with 3 by 8. So what is the answer now? 4 by 8 plus 3 by 8 is 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 goes here. Did you all understand?
I did not understand that part.
Okay.
Can it also be
why?
2 by 3?
See, this distance.
I understand it, but like, why did you add it again with 4 by 8 plus
Okay.
3 by 8?
See, half is divided into how many intervals, ma, Pranavi? 4. Correct?
Yeah.
Half times 1 by 4. Correct?
Uh-huh.
So
1 8.
each interval is 1 by 8. Correct?
Yeah.
So I start with a half here. 1 by 8 I added. Another 1 by 8. Another 1 by 8. So 1 by 2, which is the starting point, was added with 3 by 8. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I did. So this one will become 4 by 8 plus 3 by 8, which is 7 by 8.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now, why don't we try doing this one, the last one? Let's see. How about this one? C.
Can I say the answer?
Yeah, you can say. Now, we found out that each interval was what? 1 by 8, right? So, how much this should be?
1 and 5/8.
1. Good. 1 and good job. 5/8. Because 5 frog jumps, right? Because from 0 to 1, there are 8 intervals. So, from here, from starting from 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frog jumps. 1 5 by 8, which is 13 by 8. Makes sense, Pranavi?
Yeah.
Tanishka, did that make sense? Tanishka?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this week's homework will just be on fractions. Would you be able to handle it, guys, all of you?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I should see you all do it properly. Make sense? I think I should see you all. Only 17 pages of homework is there. Please split and do every day 3 pages. It's just a review for 5 days. You got it? Makes sense? I already posted. Makes sense, guys? Any questions for me?
No.
Can we stop here?
Yeah.
But I really want you to be thorough with fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Make sense? Okay. You have any questions for me?
No.
Yes, Sid. What is your question?
When on the homework, if there's another problem like this one and it goes past one whole, do we have to write it as a mixed number or an improper fraction?
Good job. Good question. You can write either as long as the answer key it matches with the answer key, it's fine. Meaning, if you had written a mixed number, answer key says improper fraction, or if you had written an improper fraction, answer key says a mixed number, it's fine. As long as they are logically equal. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And if suppose they wanted to be as an improper fraction, or if they wanted to be a mixed number, they would have mentioned it. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions for me?
No.
Okay. Then shall we see you all next week?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Bye, guys.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Nice meeting you all today, guys. Okay, give me a minute. I want to stop.